All right, let's practice some more. Okay, practice make perfect. You're gonna be more. You have to make yourself familiar with the bond-like structure. At the beginning, it's gonna be a little bit difficult in terms of try to read it. Okay, but once the if you more familiar with it enough, it's very easy. Okay, all right. So let's read the bond-like structure together. Start with the molecules at the top. We have two chlorine on it. So how many hydrogens are there? Okay, so pause right here. Give yourself, let's say, 2 to 5 minutes. So relax, right? Don't rush. Take your time. Okay. Once you're done, all right, let's check with me. So there are 12 hydrogens. And you see that there are 12 hydrogens atoms. Okay. So start with on the left side. There's a 3, 4, 5. There's the one right here. So chlorine point to the front. Oh, but I didn't mention this before. When you see wedge line, it means point toward you, point to your face. If you see a dash line, it means it's point away from you. Okay. So this carbon is tetrahedral. Chlorine point to the front. So hydrogen gonna point to the back. That's another one. All right. Now come down here. Chlorine point to the back. Right. Dash line point away from you. Point to the back. So the hydrogen gonna point to the front. Look like that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 right here, 10, 11, 12 right here. Okay. All right, come down here. So cinnamaldehyde. So this one is a compound that makes you that sense of cinnamon in your food, right? In your pie or whatever, in your coffee. Okay. So this compound looks like this. All right. How many hydrogen atoms are there? Let's check it out. So we have 8 hydrogen atoms in here. Can you see there's 8? If you miss 1 or 2, it's fine. All right, we learn together here. Don't feel bad at all. Okay. So let's say there's 1 right here, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So if you still remember, carbons can have only 4 bonds. You can't exceed that. All right. So this carbon 1, 2, double bond, 3 and 4. That's how you count it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 hydrogen. Carbon right here, 1, 2, 3. So 4. That's another hydrogen. Carbon here, so 4 bond, 1, 2, 3. Down here, 4. That's another hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7. How do we get 8? There we go. In aldehyde, the C double bond OH, that's an aldehyde functional group, already have hydrogen in it. Okay. For aldehyde, we show the hydrogen there. It's a functional group, so it's convention. Okay. All right. One more time. Capsizing. This is a molecule that if it come into contact with your taste bud in your tongue, you get that hot burning feeling. Look just like this. This is capsizing. Okay, hot and heavy right here. All right. So what we got? Molecular formula of capsizing. All right. Let's count real quick how many carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen. That's pretty much it. Yep. That's it. Okay. Let's do with the obvious first. So we have 1, 2, 3 oxygens. All right. We have 1 nitrogen. So O3 and N. All right. Now, how many carbon, how many hydrogen? Do on your own first and then check with me. Okay. Take your time. Don't rush. No rush at all. Let's see carbon. So there's carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So 7 so far. Now right here, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. So C18. All right, now this is the hard one, right? Hydrogen. Some people I miss it too. First time I read it, I miss it too. So don't feel bad. All right, let's say what we got. 3 hydrogens there. Okay, this one there's no hydrogen there. Carbon's already full. 4 bonds, right? It's already 4. So no hydrogen there. No hydrogen there. 1, no hydrogen, and then 1 at the bottom. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 now. All right, this guy right here. So carbon 2 bonds so far. So 2 more. That's the two hydrogen. Okay, 0 there. This carbon 2 bonds. So 4 total. So 2 hydrogen. 2, 2, 2. This guy right here. 1, 2, 3. So 3 bonded carbon. So 1 gonna go to hydrogen. That's 4. Okay, same thing. Double bonded carbon. So 1, 2, 3. Now 4 down here. 4. C carbon right here, so 1 right there, so 1, 2, 3. The other one gonna go to hydrogen, so 1 hydrogen. Okay, CH3. All right, how many so far? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We're not done yet. Did you see that? Someone missed it. 26 right here and 27. look like that. This is alcohol. This is amide bond. Okay, peptide bond right here. This is amide. So 27 hydrogen. Okay. All right. If you look at the by the way, so don't feel bad at all. So it takes some time to read this. You have to be familiar with the rings. You have to be familiar with the functional group. That's what I mentioned before. Right? You have to be familiar with double bond, and read the number of hydrogen on each carbon. Right? It takes some time. So go look back in the study guide. I have a lot of this in there. Okay, so practice as much as you could. All right. And by the way, do you see the functional group in here in these molecules? We have an alcohol. You see that? We have an ether, oxygen between carbon. Yeah, this is ether. We have aromatic ring right here. So this is benzene. The functional group is called arene. This is arene. Okay. We have amide. This is amide. C double bond O and H is amide. Come from the combination of carboxylic acid and an amine. Okay, and we have a double bond right here. This is alkene. All right, we're gonna close it right here. A little bit more autocorrect on your phone. Okay, let's say this conversation. Okay, all right. First person say, "What are you gonna eat?" And say, "Hypo is kicking in," and the doctor said, "I to eat protein." So I'm going to have a peanut butter sandwich. No, I didn't mean that. Peanut butter sandwich. Oh, not done yet. I mean peanuts. Oh my God. Forget it. That happens sometimes. You keep type it wrong. Autocorrect just keep make it wrong and wrong again and again. It's so. Okay, all right. Go to the next video.